Hello guys, welcome back to my page. Yeah, so today I'm showing you how I made this basmati jollof rice for the very first time. So let's go there. So the first thing is I got my cooking oil in the pot, and when it's hot enough, so I just added some diced onions. So I'll just free grind these onions for about 1 to 2 minutes until we can perceive that aroma of fried onions. And then I added this my tomato paste. Yeah, so I fried this tomato paste also for a few minutes and added some bay leaves. This bay leaf, I love bay leaves in jollof rice. So fried this bay leaf with the tomato paste and the onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I ended this my blended fresh tomatoes, atarodo, tatashi, and onions. Some people like to boil their pepper first, but I like to have my pepper fresh. The fresher, the more nutritious. And then I added some seasoning cubes. Normally I add 4 cubes to 1 derica of rice. That's how I do my measurement, 4 cubes, and that's two not chicken. So then I added some curry powder, like spice, then some thyme, smoked paprika. Yeah, this will enhance the color. And then I've got this ginger powder. And then if you have fresh ginger, you can blend it with your pepper. That's fine. Garlic powder. And then some table salt. So I'll just turn everything and then I'll fry this for about 15 minutes or so, or until when you see that some oil on it. That means you've really fried it and the water content in the pepper has reduced. Yeah, look at the oil. Yeah, this means it's well fried. Yeah. So now at this point, I'll be adding this meat broth. That's the water that I got from boiling my meat. And little quantity of water. Remember, I'm using basmati rice in this recipe. So I need to be careful with the amount of water I'm starting with. If not, the rice will be to be mushy, and I don't want it that way. Now, when the water is boiled, then I'm adding this my washed basmati rice. I've already washed it. So I'll add it to this, my pepper sauce. And then the next thing is I'll cover it and cook in a medium heat. The heat, if it's too hot, the rice will be burning before it gets done. But now look at it, under medium heat, cook for about 15 minutes. Basmati rice doesn't take long to cook. And now, as it is, it's not yet fully cooked yet. So I've added some sliced onion for more flavor, for it to get that nice Nigerian smoky jollof rice. Just add this onion. Some people can add extra vegetables, carrots, all that. But I love my jollof rice to be this simple. And then since the rice is not well cooked, I added some water at the base, because if I add it at the top, it won't get to the base and the rice will just be burning and it won't be well cooked. So I tried to shift it and add, some little quantity of water at the base. So after adding the water, I'll cover it up again and continue to cook under low to medium heat. And now my jollof is ready here. At this point, if you taste it and you see that the salt or the spice is not, good enough, you can just try to add some. Like here now, I had to taste the rice and I saw that the salt content wasn't enough. So I added some more salt to it, and then I turn everything just to be sure that it's well cooked, and also just to be sure that the ingredients got to every corner of that pot, like I always say. So now that's my jollof rice. It's very ready. Tell me in the comment box, what is that new thing that you learned in this my recipe? Look at it. Look at it. It came out so dry and nice. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.